Hi everyone. Today I'll be talking about the formation and geology of Iceland in this course of physical geology in the fall semester of 2024. To start off, my name is Jessica Cantu, and let's get started. To start off, my presentation will explore Iceland's natural hazards and its famous basalt columns, and then as well as the stunning glaciers that a lot of people like to visit in Iceland. To start off, let's dive into the key focus of this presentation. First of all, we'll explore what natural hazards impact Iceland, such as avalanches, volcanic eruptions, and slides. Then we'll look into Iceland's geological formation and how tectonic plates and volcanic activity have shaped its unique landscapes. Next, we'll talk about Iceland's famous basalt columns and their formations, and then locations which are a geological marvel to Iceland. And then finally, we'll discuss Iceland's glaciers, which not only define its natural beauty, but also attract thousands of tourists each year. The main takeaway, though, is that Iceland's unique landscape is shaped by tectonic, volcanic, and glacial process. These are all geological studies. Not only do they help us better understand Iceland's formation, but also play a crucial role in predicting and reducing the impact of natural hazards. And then finally, we'll also see how Iceland's basalt columns stand out as the country's historical geological beauty, and why its stunning glaciers make it a popular destination for tourists from all around the world to visit. Now, question is, how was Iceland formed, and what is its formation? So, as Iceland was formed by the Eurasian and North American tectonic plates, they both diverged along the mid-Atlantic ridge with a hotspot beneath the island. As you can see in this picture, you can see both the North American plates and the Eurasian plates diverging along the mid-Atlantic ridge. As these plates move, magma rises, which creates volcanoes, lava fields, and valleys. This process did take about 150 million years ago in the northern part of Iceland, and it also took about 90 million years in the south side. Today, though, the plates continue to shift, and this causes earthquakes and volcanic eruptions about every 5 to 10 years. So what are Iceland's natural hazards? As you can see in the map, the majority of the red spots shown are the areas with the most volcanic activity. Iceland is a very high active volcanic island. It experiences eruptions about every 3 to 6 years. Currently, it does have about 41 active volcanic systems, mainly on the southeast and northwest of Iceland. In addition, besides all the volcanic activity experiences, it does also have avalanches and landslides. All these natural hazards have cost the lives of many people. This was including in the 21st century about 208 deaths. Because of all these tragedies that happened, this was a big prioritization that improved many of the avalanche and landslide management that did reduce future risks. So if you're wondering what are Iceland's basalt columns, basically these are the hexagonal structures that are shown on the picture on the right side. They're very stunning, and these are the results of the geological processes. These are formed when hot lava form from volcanic eruptions. As they meet the cold water, they quickly cool down, which creates the bonding structures. And then you can see in the picture, you can see multiple sizes and shapes, but it well varies because of the conditions such as the weather, rivers, and oceans. They're very breathtaking, so mainly a lot of visitors are attracted to this around the world because it's something they've never seen in their lives. Not only does Iceland offer its basalt columns, it also offers its famous glaciers. About 11% of the country is covered in these, which is about 269 glaciers. They are a major attraction for tourists who enjoy activities such as hiking and ice climbing. The largest glacier in Iceland is about 8,300 square kilometers. Glaciers usually form in areas with long-term low temperatures where snow doesn't melt, especially in the summer. Over time though, the snow compresses into ice, which causes it to lose its air, and then eventually it'll turn blue or green. Iceland's glacier In summary and conclusion for my presentation, I did want to say that Iceland does offer a remarkable landscape, which is a result of the tectonic activity between the North American plates and the Eurasian, that's along with the volcanic spot. This creates a dynamic feature like volcanoes, lava fields, valleys, and earthquakes. But besides all the challenges that it offers, such as the natural hazards like avalanches and landslides, Iceland offers its basalt columns and majestic glaciers, which make it a key attraction for many tourists around the world. Last but not least, these are a few references that I used overall throughout my research presentation, as well as a few references for the images that I used throughout the PowerPoint. It was pretty cool learning about Iceland and what it offers, and I hope you guys enjoy my presentation, and